Our goal today is to share some presentation apps with you. Some you will know, some you will not.
Some you will love, some you may not.
We want to know the good, the bad, and the ugly about these apps. What this means is that each group will be using and reviewing one app.
Your group must use your app to create a 2-minute presentation. Show the audience how to use the app, some of its unique features, and any limitations you find.
Basically, be sure to show us why you love or don't love your app.
You are also expected to write a review of the app based on samples from the library Haiku page. In your review, take into consideration the functionality, ease of use, capabilities, and cost of the app. Think about who would best use this app and groups for which it wouldn't make sense. Email your review to Ms. McGroarty at kmcgroarty@madeira.org.
Each group leader will come to the front to choose your app from a hat. Go to your assigned room. This info is on the Haiku page. You have until 3:10 to create your presentation and write your review. Return to the lecture hall by 3:15 sharp, ready to show your presentation to the rest of the group. You will have a maximum of 3 minutes to show your presentation and share your review.
Go. Play with the app. Create with the app. Review the app. Come back when you are finished.